What PPC strategy should I focus on in Q4 to really take advantage of the holiday rush? I'm starting with a non-PPC item, which is inventory. No matter what strategy I share here, if you don't have enough inventory available, there's nothing that you can do because you are just going to run out of stock. So first strategy when it comes to PPC campaigns, I'm still going to list inventory. Ensure that for Q4 you're going to have enough inventory. Now, subtask of inventory, it's going to be ensure that you have a clear view of how much inventory you need. What we want to avoid is overstocking. So if you launched the product 3 months ago or so on, you already have a better understanding on how does your inventory move from month by month, even if you're going to increase sales. But what you don't want to end up with is too much inventory for this season. If you know that you're going to sell, let's say 1,000 units in normal months, if you know that your product is not a giftable item, if you know that your peak season is not Q4 but Q1, like for many supplements, their peak season, then the strategy should be first to understand what is realistic for you to sell, and second, plan ahead at least for 2 months, but not more. Reason why I'm saying that is because Amazon is going to really penalize you if you're not going to be able to sell out that inventory, so storage fees are going to be higher. Then the next thing that you would be thinking of when it comes down to Q4 is usually the season whenever people are going to check, but probably not buy right away. Clicks are going to be way higher, conversion is going to be way lower when it comes to this season. So just make sure that all the campaigns that you know clearly that it did not prove to be efficient for the past 30 days or so, just pause them for now. If you want to create new campaigns and apply new strategies, you can. But what I would advise, everything that you for sure see that it did not work, even if you have the chance to go back and pull the search and report data for the past 65 days, look through your search and report, see what really did not convert and what it's really not relevant for your product. Those are the first things that we would be pausing. So that is also there a tip for you on how to prepare for it. And then the third and really important thing is to understand that Q4 is just a quarter that is defined by 4. Your Q4 or the peak season can be for different categories during different quarters.